Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. This van is Chrysler certified, stock number E1865P. 21,000 miles on this Grand Caravan. Clean auto check history report, white knuckle in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle will serve a very strict 125-point inspection, give you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van, seat 7, leather interior. Stone Go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Lots of overhead storage with aimable LED lights. And rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera for additional safety. Power liftgate for convenience. Deep storage well behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks in the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can of course fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline, slide forward and back, have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. This GT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Lots of storage space in the center console. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead, liftgate and sliding door controls. And HomeLink transmitter door opener. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance. Anything you want to check under it. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles per gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 70% tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.